Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer geocoding into your no-code app with Mapbox, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Mapbox account set up. Log into your Mapbox account and navigate to the Mapbox Studio dashboard. Select the appropriate project or create a new one. Familiarize yourself with the Mapbox Geocoding API documentation. Locate the API key under your account settings. In your no-code app platform, find the section for adding external APIs. Create a new API integration using the Mapbox Geocoding API. Enter your API key into the designated field. Define what geocoding features you want to use, such as forward or reverse geocoding. Set up the user interface elements where users will input their location. Link these input elements to the geocoding functionality by scripting the relevant actions. Test the integration with sample addresses or coordinates to ensure accuracy. Monitor the API response and handle any errors gracefully in your app. Customize the output display to fit the design of your app. Consider adding additional features, such as autosuggest or location validation. Review and refine the user experience based on testing feedback. Once satisfied with the functionality, publish your app for users to access. Keep track of API usage to stay within your Mapbox plan limits. Continuously update your app based on user needs and Mapbox updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.